So it's time to upgrade your thermostat, your Roadtrek. Maybe you're like me and you broke your old one, or maybe you just want a little more modern convenience with a digital thermostat. This is the one that I picked up, got it off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to get the same one. First thing we're going to do is remove the old thermostat, and we're going to figure out how we're going to wire this guy in. Alright, so here we have the original Roadtrek thermostat. Now the reason why I'm switching this one out is because, of course, I broke it. There's a little switch here that you can use to turn it on and off, and I snapped the lower part of that switch off. So to get started, you're going to need a small Robertson's bit or screwdriver. Take out 1 and 2 screws. This will come right out, and we can prep to put the new one in. So to begin the removal, we're going to grab ourselves a green Robertson's bit. We're going to go into the top left corner, remove that screw, bottom right corner, remove that screw, dropping them on the bed, never to be found again. And then we're going to look at the back side of our thermostat and see they've got 2 wires. Now, because these wires come from the side and not through the actual board that the thermostat is mounted to, you'll notice that on the original thermostat, they carved a little hole in the side to allow those wires to sit in so that the thermostat could sit flush on the wood. We're going to have to do something very similar, if not the exact same thing, to make this new thermostat sit flush against that wood as well. On the new thermostat, you're going to want to make this access hole in line with this slot in the middle. You're going to want to have it on the right side of the thermostat because that's where the wires are coming in from. And you're going to want to make room right about here. So taking a notch out of this side as well as taking a notch out of this side. That way the wires can enter through the side, go to the screws that they have to be connected to, and not obstruct the thermostat from sitting flush on the back of that wood. So to make that opening in the side of the thermostat, I just grabbed a pair of clippers and I cut out a small section on this side and a section out this side. Then when you put these guys together here, you're going to have a nice opening for those wires to sit through. Now, don't worry if it doesn't look great, because it's going to sit like this. You're not even going to really see the wires going in there. Now that you have your wires marked with the red and white tape, or a piece of masking tape with a W and an R on them, we're ready to unscrew these guys and get ready to mount the new backing for the new thermostat to this wall. Now, because this thermostat didn't come with mounting screws, we're going to keep this as original as possible. We're going to use the screws from the original thermostat to mount these to them. And now we have our white wire connected to our W port. We have our red wire hooked up to our RC port, and we're leaving the jumper in that connects it to the RH port. And that's it. As long as you got this screwed into your wall, your gap is sufficient to allow the wires to flow through. You're ready to take your front cap, connect it to the front, turn the system on, set your temperature higher than the room temperature. I just heard a little click in the thermostat, and hopefully then, boom! Furnace is on and producing heat. Excellent. When the temperature is hit, it should just shut off. Now, remember, there is a period from the time you hear that click till the time you'll hear the fan shut off. After the heat and the flame is turned off by the thermostat, the fan will run for a couple minutes just to disperse all the heat that's in the coils in there. And there it is. A couple minutes after, the fan shuts off as well. Well, congratulations. You've installed a digital thermostat into your Roadtrek 190. I hope this video has helped you along with your installation, or it's giving you the confidence to take on this project. Thanks again, guys. Really appreciate you. We'll see you in the next one.